Hello traders, I'm Jason from Sureshot. Today I have got another forecast about USDCAD for the upcoming week. But before you look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with the USDCAD market. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So we'll start our analysis with the current market structure like early time frame. And if you look at last week market structure, what can we see in the charts that after this liquidity sweep, it was not a chalk literally because there was no body candle close below this low. So this was potentially a liquidity sweep. And after that, market impulsed higher, creating higher highs, lows, highs, and lows. And afterwards, last Friday, we saw that market pulls down heavily, took out this almost equal low liquidity, and afterwards, market changes character once again, they're switching bullish at this point. So we have marked two demand zones from which market can react from. If we hide our drawings and go to 4-hour time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see that on 4-hour time frame, on bigger picture, market is bearish. Lower, lower high, lower low. So this bullish movement that we are noticing on early time frame might be a pullback of this bearish leg. So if we get our drawings back, where we can expect this bullish move to be ended. So if we go to our hourly time frame and get our drawings back, then we can expect that after reacting from these demand zones, market may reach up to this supply zone that we just marked on 4-hour time frame. So till that happens, we'll be looking for buy setups on pullback. Like this Monday, market already pulled to this demand zone. This is a buy to sell week, which is the low time frame demand zone, and it's given us a reaction. Let's see if this zone holds or market may come down a little bit deeper and react from this demand zone. But also keep in mind that we are bullish until this low gets broken impulsively. So till that happens, we can expect a bullish movement like this till market reaches this supply zone. So let's summarize the forecast for you once again. USDCAD bias is potentially bullish this week. Overall, market structure is bearish on high time frame, but on low time frame like hourly, we can see that bullish market flow is still in control. We'll continue to look for buy setups at these demand zones as the order flow is bullish. So from what I see in the charts, I think USDCAD might keep going up this week till this supply zone gets mitigated. We'll see what happens in the market in the next few days. That's all for our USDCAD forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshot for more helpful information about Forex market. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.